Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm Trisha with Jewelry and Creations, and today I wanted to show you what comes in a Hostess Party Pack from Dotz at home. So if you wanted to have like a party at your house, or for a kids party, or a Facebook party, this is a good little kit. It comes with 3 designs. You get the butterfly, the heart, and the 4-leaf clover, and you get 3 of each design, and you get everything you need, the trays and all that. So we'll open it up and you'll get this special little hostess gift. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you guys what you will get. So in here you will get a little thank you card. Okay, so open up the designs. You will get the instructions, just a little thank you card. Okay. And then, we'll move that to the side. You get 3 good luck pictures, 3 love you hearts, and my favorite, 3 butterflies. How cute is that? Okay, so that's 9 in total pictures. Okay, so the fabric size is 8.2 by 8.2. Just this little square right here, your design space or your design size, is a 5 by 5. So just a little square. Okay, and of course you have your very detailed, they're slipping because they're all together, your serial number, your grid number, and your diamond dots number. Okay, so you get that. On top of that, you get all the kits you need to do it with. So you get, it's already put together. Okay, so you have your tray and you have your kit. So the way you would line this up, so you know, it says DDA promo.001C. So that one would be, you would find the one, so this is actually B, this is A, and so C is going to be the good luck charm, okay, because it has the C on it. So you get 1, 2, 3 little kits, okay, and they're already ready to go with your accessory tray and pen and stylus and your grip. Then this one is B, so this one's the butterfly. So you have your B, okay, like so, and then you have your A, okay. And look at that, those right there are the AB drills. Those are pretty as can be. So you get all of this in one little package, plus you get this cute little pink rhinestone paperweight that says Diamond Dots at Home, 13 facets, because all our kits have 13 facets. Or drills, not kits, sorry. All our drills have 13 facets. But look how awesome that is. So say you wanted to throw a party, you could throw a party with 9 girls or 9 people and have fun decorating with dots. Or say you want to have a party with your family that you haven't seen lately, maybe all the aunts want to get together, or a Facebook, you could send these to your aunts and have a Facebook Live together or a Zoom call and be able to dot together. Okay, is that not fun? So thanks for joining me for the unboxing of Diamond Dots at Home Party Pack.